Welcome back, my DIY Nomad. A couple of things before we get into this video. One is that, definitely in this video, as mentioned, I will be releasing merch, and I'm going to release pre-orders sometime next week once I've finalised prices. I was hoping to get it up so I could advertise it today, and I put a link in, but yeah, I just haven't been able to finalise the final prices, and I want to make them affordable so even people internationally, I want to even try, if I can, build it into the price so that shipping's just included, so shipping's free wherever you are. But anyway, apart from that, also YouTube have updated their website, the Creator Studio thing, and I, for the life of me, cannot seem to reply to anyone's comments. It won't allow me, so I'm going to give it a few days. So sorry if I'm really silent, sorry if I'm not replying to your comments, your questions. I have no idea what's going on, but hopefully I will be back up and doing that soon. Anyway, let's crack on with the video. Now we are going to do something pretty exciting. We're going to end up printing two of the first t-shirts, two of the first bits of merch that could be going on sale on my shop online. So Johnny's brought his actually homemade rig that was the thing that got him started in the beginning, really. And this is the bad boy just here, which looks brilliant. So we've got the designs here on the screens, and the rig, got some t-shirts ready to go over there, and we're just going to print them, see how they look, and might have a couple of tweaks here and there, but then I'm going to show off the merch, and if you guys like it, there'll be pre-orders ready to go sometime this week or next week. So Johnny, how many t-shirts have you made with this epic rig right here?
My days, I don't know, maybe like 1,500?
1,500?
No, maybe, I don't know, yeah. Something like that.
That's mad, eh? So a whole t-shirt company has been started and has been doing very well, all because of this epic little rig that got him going. And now you've got what? You've got your own carousel. Yeah. He's got his own carousel. He's got like a proper setup, you know. It all came from just a, let's see, humble beginnings. Humble beginnings. That's what it's all about. So guys, we have got, this is selection so far, we've got this design on either grey or maroon at the moment. No, it's not maroon, it's burgundy, sorry. This design on burgundy or grey. Then we've also got the same colour t-shirts, but we've got, on the front we've got DIY Nomad. So good selection there, and then on the back, on the neck, we've got the HughTube logo. How filthy is that? So like, sort of two designs, two different colours, good selection. So what do you think? Ah. Look at that! It's so good. And then on the neck, go on Johnny, spot me. What do you guys think of that? How epic do they look? I'm still thinking about, I'm still considering whether I'm going to have the HughTube logo on the neck or on the sleeve, or maybe even both. I don't know. Whatever really, we'll have a think about it, but they are looking badass. Hey! Johnny's been really struggling just to screw on the top of a light.
It's broken. It's just.
Yes, that's not it.
Yeah, it is. It totally is.
No, it's not. See, it's just out.
Son of a. You might want to put it in time lapse mode.
Yeah. Oh, come on. You can do it. We believe. You're going to do it in about 5 seconds.
No, I'm better than this. I have opposable thumbs. This is... Right, okay, you can put that on. And...
Okay. Shall we see if the...
You're the expert. Oh. Suddenly it's not so easy.
Suddenly it's not so easy.
Or it's really simple.
Alright, so you guys aren't in the dark. A little quick update. We have fit the voltage sensing relay. So battery's in there, and we've got the positive coming off, and that we've got the one positive cable coming off, and that is for the lights and the extractor fan. Those wires go off and they're all fused here. And then the voltage sensing relay is, we had not quite enough cable, so it's halfway in the box, but comes off the positive through a 60 amp fuse here, then to the voltage sensing relay, and then the cable goes off through a hole in the bulkhead. And also, because this is cut through steel, there's some protective sort of corrugated plastic tubing to stop the cable from getting rubbed on and fraying. And then the cable comes round through. We could probably hide this more later, but this comes through some more corrugated plastic through the metal plate that holds the battery down, well, just hides the battery, should I say, in through another 60 amp fuse to the battery. Johnny has just been finishing off the side door with all the pallet wood that he's had lying around. He had a few gaps that he's just been filling, which is great. So there's still a few little odd jobs. We haven't been able to get hold of a latch for this door, so Johnny's going to have to do that when he gets back. But bed is in, the roof is all insulated and done. Johnny's also got a surround for that, so to hide away the sort of the rubbishy hole. Lights are in, voltage sensing relay and leisure battery are in, and Johnny can add to that with the fuse box that's in there. Surf gear, which is very important. A little cooker hob that's going to go on top, with the extractor fan above, so you basically, that's it closed, so you push up, open. And what we've done with this unit is it's removable, so Johnny will be able to have his cook gear. He's going to mount the cooker a bit better on top so actually it stays there. Maybe have a sink in there as well. He's going to mount the gas canister in there, as we've given it a floor as well, and because it's removable he needs to be able to take it out for work and like festivals and stuff when he packs his gear in. He can take it out and put it somewhere else, or if he's at a camping location and it's a really beautiful weather, he can take all of his kitchen out and cook outside, which is such a cool thing. You have like literally like a cooking little bar thing outside, which would be so badass. As I mentioned before, we tried to strategically put all the lights in good places, so 2 above where the head is, but like back further enough so it's not shining in your eyes, but it's shining on any book that you might have. 2 above the cook surface, and then 2 above us in the main area here. So unfortunately we need to get a new switch because they provide us with a bit of a dud switch, but the lights are there and we're hoping that they shine sort of down in that angle. But that looks like it'd be really good because it's directly above Johnny, so he's not going to get in his eyes, but it's going to go directly onto the pages. Well everyone, that is the end of this little surf conversion. Thank you very much, Johnny. Thank you for all your t-shirts.
Mate, thank you. Amazing.
And yeah, these t-shirts will be up on the store hopefully soon for pre-orders. We're going to do a bit more to the van when we can, but that is basically all the time we've got for these 2 days. So I'll catch all of you guys next week.